I made Caleb Roth reveal his secret Facebook marketplace trick to find profitable books to sell on Amazon FBA. Check this out.
I ran maybe for 2 months a deal where I actually set up Facebook Marketplace search parameters, and there's ways you have to Google it. They keep changing how the search function works, but you can actually do a nationwide search, and they might have removed this capability, but you could do like 500-mile radius and set up like, you could do one in like Colorado area, and you could do one in like New York and Florida. You just get different areas around the country. So you could set up search parameters and just look up keywords like textbooks.
Yeah, I think textbooks are a good one because
just book,
the profit margin is so high.
history, whatever. But what you do then is you use the Amazon Seller app that you do the facial recognition. So you can actually just hold it up. It'll find the book. You have to kind of eyeball whether it's softcover, hardcover. Sometimes there's multiple listings. So you have to kind of use your brain. Once you do that, you can actually click on item details on the Seller app. And then, because it doesn't show you eScore, it doesn't show you a lot of data, it just gives you sales rank and some of the offers. But you can copy paste the ISBN, and then you can actually just open up like Scout IQ, paste it right in there, and you can see, kind of what it's going to sell for and kind of get your familiar scouting tool. So once you do that, you just find book, and you can even plug it in, hit the book scouter link on Scout IQ. And a lot of these books I was finding, you could buy them for $8 and flip it to a wholesale company for, 20.